welcome back to another video. Come and get wet with me. The fuck was that? It's not a Japanese game show. What the actual F is this? Yeah, man. So I'm off out on another adventure. Good advice. Well, a hike up into the hills. In Glossop, actually. Got ripped off by a air machine, of all things. But weather's a bit crap. I'm getting wet through here. It's raining at the minute. It's just grim. And it's 6 degrees, and where I'm going, it's a lot higher up. And I'm going to be climbing, can't really call it a mountain, but some big hills. So potentially it could be snowing, but I highly doubt it. Suppose we'll see. But I have just done this intro once, and I had the engine running and blowers going, and you couldn't hear a fucking thing. So I had to do it again. Yeah. Penis on the wall. But yeah, gonna go fill my car up with some juice. Maybe get a drink. And then head up into the hills. I don't even know the name of this place. So, let's go. Another rant of the day. So I've been to put fuel in, which I've done, but I needed to put some air in my tyres, so I've paid to put air in. I've paid the machine to put air in my tyres, and not only did it take my money and not give me any air, it also took air out of my tyres. Fucking hell. Talk about a rip-off. And the woman says, oh yeah, that's nothing to do with us. You need to phone this number and speak to these. And I'm like, I'm not wasting my time over £1.50. But if that keeps happening to people, it's a nice little money maker for them, innit? It's just a fucking scam. Anyway, I'm on my way. It's pissing it down. So it should be fun. Hopefully this rain turns into snow. But if not, it's gonna be a wet one. And we're in bad traffic. Great. Well, we're almost here. We're up in the hills. Check out these views. Shame about the rain though. But it's gone from 4 degrees, from 6 degrees to 4 degrees, so it is a bit colder, but obviously not cold enough to snow. But I've got a big raincoat on, so should keep me warm. Naughty, naughty. Yeah, we've got here, but it's pissing it down. So I'm gonna have a drink. Bit of energy. See how long I can brave the cold. Thing is, this because I'm a bit of a fatty, this coat, I bought it purposely to be too small, but it just fits. It just fits now, but it's a bit tight when I zip it up. So yeah, there's actually a few cars here. I'm kind of surprised. Well, there's a camper van. Yeah, there's like a camper van, and there's 2 or 3 cars, including me, and it's pissing it down. So I was expecting there'd be no one here. But yeah, I'm going to drink this and then attempt to head out. This is grim. Like the Michelin Man. Yeah, can't quite zip up the coat, but like I said, I look a bit like the Michelin Man. But we're getting there. Keeping on the weight loss theme from last time, but we have lost 2 stone now, so even if it is raining, gotta get my steps in, haven't I? Good advice, especially today. I don't think I'm going to risk it anyway. Can I take my hood down? I'm a hard man from Yorkshire. I don't need my hood up. But yeah, I've come. I don't even know the name of this place. It's in Glossop anyway. It's like there's a reservoir and some sort of yacht boating club. But from here you can like hike all the way up into the hills, which that was the plan. But my feet are already soggy. But like I said, I'm a hard man from Yorkshire. Christ. Oh, that's what I'm going to say. I did bring my drone. I've not got it on me now, it's in the car, but I'm not going to risk flying it in the rain. I think they advise you not to fly it in the rain. But I was thinking, it's 2025. Why have we not got waterproof drones yet? I don't think it'd be that difficult to make one. But yeah, it would have been some nice views. I'll spin you around. This is the reservoir. That's where I've come from. It's actually a even better view from this side. Mind the wind. Won't mind living down there. Yeah, time to deploy the hood again. That were actually a stupid move because the inside of my hood is wet now, so good move. But it's only sort of drizzling now, so that's a plus. But yeah, let's try and get some elevation. Danger. How did they know my middle name? I think this used to be a toilet. Yeah. Penis on the wall. But looks pretty much abandoned now. Kind of a shame because you could turn that into like a little coffee shop. Make a few quid. Probably cost a fortune though to do it up. Glasses are fogged up. Shoes are wet. Can't actually access the path that I thought I could. It's you probably can't see on camera, but you have to basically get up on the road and go all the way around. And I'm not doing that in this rain. Just have a look at this little beach. The grass is wet. Can you believe it? ducks are going crazy. All ducks are coming over. They must think I'm going to feed them. Oh, sludgy. Can you see these ducks? Probably not. But yeah, I wanted to be like over here. I'm heading up there, but I've come the wrong way. I do usually go that way where the yacht club is, but that path's going to be fucked today with all this rain. What the actual F is this? What the is this, like tarmac they've dumped? Or is there a volcano? Anyway, let's try somewhere else. Sorry, I'm getting wet through here. Oh. I've deployed the full coat. Do I actually look like the Michelin Man? But I've been I'm getting wet through here. This rain is just, it's just grim. I think I'm just going to head back to the car. Maybe wait it out an hour or so, but I think this rain's in all day long and I can't see shit. Well, if it ain't raining, it ain't training. What did, what's his name? David Goggins. Who's going to carry the boats? I'm at somewhat of a viewpoint here. I'll just go to the top. Excuse the wind and the rain and the sniffles and the cold. My ears are freezing. But can't have woolly hat on in this weather. It just turn my brain into an ice box. I mean, despite this weather, believe it or not, I'm still glad I got out. Seen maybe 2 or 3 people, but they quickly got back in car. Yeah, this is high as I'm going today. You even see me. Good views there. That's the dam. Protecting them houses. Because if that breaks, good luck. But I've had my fun for today. Got my steps in. Got ripped off by a air machine, of all things. Air's supposed to be free, innit? On this planet. They're charging $150. And it didn't even give me any. It actually took it out of my tyre. Anyway, enough talking shit. I've got to get down this sludgy mess. Get back to the car. I think I came that way. This is looking steep. We'll keep it rolling. Because if I fall, could do with money. Do they still do that show? What were it called? Jeremy Beadle. Actually, I came up here for a reason. Them toilets are closed, so I need to just do something. You know, someone said to me, there's no such thing as bad weather, just bad clothing. Fuck that, this weather's grim. This is grim. When you see people hiking on YouTube in weather like this, freezing the nads off in a tent in minus conditions, that's not the one. That's not for me. I could be in Spain right now, but if I were there, I'd probably still have the same things to complain about. Instead of complaining about the rain, I'd be complaining about the heat. More than 100%. I mean, if you watched my video when I went to Ibiza, oh my god, this heat is unbearable. Fucking hell. Actually thinking about it, I'd probably rather be in this rain than that heat in Ibiza. I just think there's a certain window where I'm happy outdoors. Can't be too hot, can't be too cold, can't be too sunny, because then I can't see, but can't be dark because can't see at all. Maybe I should just go back indoors, sit on the sofa and watch other YouTubers suffer. That's the plan. Well, I'm heading back to the car. I'm soaked to the bone. It didn't go out, it didn't plan out the way I wanted it, but does any of my videos ever go the way I want it? Answer is no. But like I said, I'm wet through, so time to go home, get a bath and chill out. Watch someone else on YouTube do this shit. This rain stuff, it's not for me. Let's get back to the car. Back to the car. Funny thing is, the guy's come to walk his dog and he's not happy. I think because of the rain. Keeps yelping anyway. I don't know if you could hear that. God. These glasses, they don't just make me look cool. They're actually a prescription, so I need them to drive. But bonus, I didn't drink all my drink, so I'm going to drink this. I'm going to try and warm up and yeah, get back home. Got a bit of an headache, to be honest. So I suppose that's what I get for walking in this freezing rain without the proper equipment. So yeah, that's a fun tip. Don't do what I do. In fact, just don't do anything. If it's raining, just stay indoors. But yeah, I think what am I thinking? Yeah, so I think I'll call this video here. I'm going to drive back home. Might even start to edit some of these videos. I've done three videos now. And none of them, they're all still on this SD card. So don't even think it, but yeah, with this rain, if this camera leaks, then all 3 videos are gone. But we're not going to think like that. We're going to be positive. I think like that far too much. Overthink things. It's not good. Anyway, I'm steaming up here. This camper van. Can you see it? It's making some weird noises. I hope it's not got a gas leak. Ugh. Anyway, yeah. So, thanks for watching. And I'll catch you on the next crazy adventure. Wherever that may be. Probably somewhere in the UK. Like I said, I want to visit some towns or cities. I said London on one of the videos, but this time of year I think I really want to go see York. Especially when it's all lit up on a night, like Christmas markets and things. So, yeah, that might be on the books for another video. But until next year, when I start travelling a bit further again. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.